Are you getting this error? Well, let's fix it. First thing you need to do is make sure your file extension is turned on. If it's not, this is how you do it. Open File Explorer, go to the three dots, go to Options, then go to View and uncheck Hide Extension for Known File Types. Click OK. Let's close out File Explorer. You're going to right click and you're going to rename the document. You're going to erase docx and put zip. A docx Word file is an actual zip file with files in it. Click yes to change it. Double click the zip folder and you'll see these folders and a file. You're going to click on Word. Now here you're going to see these XML files. You're going to open the XML document file. Actually, first thing you're going to do is you're going to copy this and put it on your desktop. After you copy it to the desktop, we're going to minimize this file explorer. We'll come back to it later. Okay, we're going to right click the XML file and you're going to open with Edge or a browser that you use. Okay. What this is going to do, this is going to let us know what line and column the error is on. So here it's line 2, column 3036. We're going to minimize this as well. Now we're going to right click and reopen it in Notepad. Okay, so now you're going to take your cursor and you're going to put it in front of the very first character. On the bottom here, you'll see it's line 1, column 1. So here it's on, the error is line 2, column 3036. So we're going to go down to column 2078 and we're going to go over to 3036. Okay, 3036. Okay, perfect. Here, so two things you can do. One is you can delete this code here. It looks like there is an emoji issue. Okay, either you can delete this whole script here, or you can fix the script if you know what you're doing. So here it looks like it's missing the T in the script for here. And I've seen these documents come up with errors because of emojis. So lately. Okay, so for this example, I'm just going to add the T back. Okay, for you, you can do whatever you need to do to fix the issue. Most likely, just delete the issue. And then when you do that, let's file and we're going to click on save. Okay, now let's exit Notepad. We're going to bring up the Word document, File Explorer. So now we're going to put it back in the folder. We're going to click on Copy and Replace. We're going to close File Explorer. We can delete the document from the desktop. Don't need it anymore. So here, we're going to right click. We're going to rename the file again to .x. Yes, we're going to change the file extension again. Okay. So now, if you open it, it's fixed. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. And for more tips, tricks on Windows 11 or any operating system, subscribe and be sure to turn your bell notification on for the latest content. Peace.